Hey guys, so I made one change in my LTX 2.8 workflow that completely transformed my results. No suspense, that one change is FPS. I'll show you my test generations in just a few seconds. Most workflows you find online default around 25 FPS, 24, sometimes even lower. And I've been experimenting with everything: LoRa's, strength, settings, motion tweaks. But honestly, nothing really made as dramatic a difference as simply increasing the FPS. And guys, to be honest, the improvement is pretty huge. It instantly looks more fluid, more intentional, more alive. I've made some samples for you guys to check out. Some are in 1080p, some are in 720p. You guys can see the difference for yourself, and here are the results.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
You can try this for low VRAM and RAM.
皆さんこんにちは。お元気ですって。使っていただきありがとうございます。皆さんの助けに少しでもなれたら幸いです。And this is my voice in English. I have a Tokyo Japanese accent.